Want to know how to download the Messenger app on your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Play Store on your phone or App Store if you're on your iPhone. So you should be seeing the search bar right here on the bottom if you're on your Play Store. Just simply select it, and up here you should be seeing search apps and games. Just simply select it again and then search up Messenger. Now once you've typed in and search of Messenger, here you should be seeing Messenger by Meta Platforms. So you can just simply select it to see more of its details, scroll down for its reviews, updates and more, and then simply select install right here once you're done. And after a while, if your phone has enough storage, it should be installed and it should be automatically opened. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.